你好, I'm Susie the Phoenix. Thank you for your support by watching my videos. HSK 3 is equivalent to GCSE in the UK. However, I would say HSK Level 3 has a wider range of vocabularies. The conversation is more realistic and authentic. In this writing series, I'm going to point out the grammar points and some key vocabularies and mention about the common mistakes. Hopefully, the highlighted, color-coded translation will help your understanding. In this video, there are 10 practice questions. Here's number 1 to 5. If you want to pause, have a go yourself, please do so now. Then come back to check the answers. Number 1. 可能 possible, possibly, perhaps. 我的车可能有点问题。我的车可能有点问题。Perhaps there's a bit of problem with my car. 2. 帮 to help. 帮忙 together means help as well. But 帮 here is to help. 忙 is the objective, which is the busyness. It's a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb can be split up, like in this case. 帮我个忙 Do me a favor. 你能帮我个忙吗？你能帮我个忙吗？ Could you do me a favor? Could you help me? Can you help me? 3. 穿 to wear. 多 is more. So when you want to do more of something, but in Chinese it's more and do, so more before the verb. 你出去的时候多穿点儿。你出去的时候多穿点儿。Put more layer on when you go out. 下楼 to go downstairs. 送 usually to take. Here is take your guest downstairs. Sounds a bit bizarre, but in China, majority of people live in high-rise buildings, so it's being polite. So you take your guests downstairs so they know where to go. 我刚才送客人下楼了。我刚才送客人下楼了。I took my guests downstairs a moment ago. 找 to look. 找我 look for me. 你找我吗？ Are you looking for me? 你有事找我吗？ Is there anything I can help you with? Are you looking for me for something? Okay, question 6 to 10. 不到 到 is to arrive. But here 不到 to not arrive at a time. 1个小时 1 hour. So under an hour, not quite an hour. 就 in this sentence is sense of earliness. So usually this writing something maybe took 2 hours, but here is not quite an hour. So sense of done something early, finished early. 我不到1个小时就写完了。我不到1个小时就写完了。I finished writing under an hour. 睡不着 Here 是着 not 着。这 is ing 看着 looking, so ing form. Here 睡不着 is I tried to sleep but I couldn't go to sleep. 我睡不着的时候喜欢看电视。我睡不着的时候喜欢看电视。I like watching TV when I can't go to sleep. 找不到找 to look for. Here 不到 is couldn't find. So 找不到 is a phrase, so can't find, couldn't find. So you looked but can't get it, can't find it. 有个孩子找不到回家的路了。有个孩子找不到回家的路了。There is a child couldn't find his or her way home. Okay. 多 here 这么多 so much because 东西 isn't a verb. Okay. 这么多 so much. 你怎么买回来这么多东西？你怎么买回来这么多东西 is a question. How come you bought so much stuff back? 安静 is adjective, quiet, describing a noun is 地方，安静的地方 quiet place. 我喜欢在安静的地方做作业。我喜欢在安静的地方做作业。I like doing my homework in a quiet place. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. 谢谢，再见。